trying to do it for a couple times. The sound was too loud, but now that problem should be fixed. The flush. Hold up. Problem should be, yeah. The problem should be fixed, guys. It should. Hopefully it is. So make sure you guys, watch this video. Alright, so I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm saying. It's Wednesday, guys. It's Wednesday. Alright, so we're doing Greenville car review, Greenville car review video today. We are reviewing 2 cars for this video. I do have more other content other than Greenville and Blacksburg coming Friday. It's when some UD Drive content and maybe some Pembroke Pines content will come. Maybe. Most likely not, but maybe. So, but definitely UD Drive content is coming. No, sorry. The new Ben 10 game. That game I will put on my channel on Friday instead of UD Drive, as well as UD Drive. Pembroke Pines, maybe. We'll see. Pembroke Pines is really not that good anymore. It's boring. This game has so much more you can do, and it's really, Pembroke Pines really fell off, and it's no longer a good game anymore. So, all right, so let's go over here. So the vehicle we're reviewing today is the 2018 Buick Regal Tour X. This thing is a hatchback. It is indeed, I believe, a regular. No, I think this is a luxury pass vehicle. One of the two. I'm not sure. This vehicle does cost $36,000. So make sure you got the dough for it. So let's take a look around. Let me back it up out the way so I can take a good look around at it. All right. So let's do a look around. That's what it looks like here. Looking nice. Looking fresh. Now, you guys can see, you won't have a lot of space in the back because it is a hatchback, so it's kind of like really low. It's small, but yet, I don't know. Like, to me, it's really not too spacious. Get in the back. You got plenty of room to sit and chill. All that good stuff there. So we're going to get in this car, and we're going to drive around, play some music, and drive around. Get to the next vehicle of this video. And, yeah, now it'll be a short video, so hope you guys enjoy the short video. Let me turn on the music. It's non-copyright, by the way. Non-copyright, obviously, because, your boy don't want to get copyright strike, so. Really? The legs stick out?
I can't look you in the face. I don't wanna have to lie. I wanted this love to survive. Now when I look in your I feel paralyzed.
Knock it. Okay, let me. Are you serious right now? I'm sorry. I was trying to get a thumbnail, guys, and the computer's being stupid. Serious right now. Okay, now Snack It wants to freaking work. I swear it doesn't work. There we go. Finally. Alright, I just took a thumbnail pic for this video, so hope you guys like it. So the next vehicle we're reviewing today, let me turn the music back on. I'm gonna turn it down real low, so like, you know, it's not like, you know. That should be good enough. It's not too loud. So next vehicle we're reviewing is, let's get to the next vehicle of the video. Again, this is gonna be a short video, not very long. I'm gonna be talking quick, fast. So I'm trying to get as many car review videos done before Greenville revamp, which is coming out the 3rd week of April, it is now the middle of the 2nd week, so it's really close. So exactly. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk. So this is the 2008 Cadillac Escalade. It is indeed a regular vehicle. You don't need a luxury pass. You don't need any game pass. It is $18,000. It's 4 doors, very spacious, drives amazing, brakes are good now, and it really is a great vehicle. You guys should definitely pick it up. Now I'm gonna drive it around, play some music for you guys, or turn off the music really, and then that'll be the end of the video. Quick, done, over with. Then we can move on to the next set of car review videos. Let's do this right now. We'll get in the car. Enjoy. Car wouldn't turn for a second to flush. It's the freaking lag that did it. So now I'm so sorry with the lag, guys. No, something else is taken right there. I was taking thumbnail pics, and I don't know which one I'll use. But hold up. That one is pretty sweet. Hold up. The wheel turned back on its own, so I'm like, oh dang, this is sweet. I'll play. You'll see what the thumbnail will be. I may even change it after posting the video up for a while. I may even change it. No, I'm just trying to get them thumbnails. Oh, that's sexy. That's a sexy thumbnail right there. That's Cadillac right up in your face. All right. Sorry about the guy, but again, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Again, I told you guys it will be a short video. Don't expect anything long like in some of my normal car review videos. There's some short. Make sure you guys subscribe if not already. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single upload of mine. Drop a like, comment, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.